There are so many different brands, models and companies when it comes to the humble robot pool cleaner, some of which may advertise online for very cheap models which seem too good to be true, and when you buy that too good to be true robot pool cleaner, put in your pool, it breaks down and you need to then reach out to said company just to find that they have disappeared along with your warranty and your guarantee. So what can you do to make sure that you're choosing the right robot pool cleaner for your place? And someone that knows a lot about this field is this bloke here. How you going, mate? Good to meet you.
Good, well, you too.
Sean is from Maytronics, and you guys have the Dolphin range of robot pool cleaners. What do you think your top 3 tips are when it comes to choosing a robot pool cleaner?
I think the 3 top higher level priorities that we have got a mantra by, one is trust, which is longevity and reliability of the cleaner over a lot of years. I think the second one is performance versus features. So performance and reliability, it means it's trusted over a period of time for long performance. So customers that have used Dolphins before come back to buy more. Number 3 would have to be serviceability. We license and approve a group of elite independent pool shops along with some national chains such as Poolworks and SwimMart, so that we ensure that you get that pre and post sale service and advice.
And we've all seen ads on Instagram and our social medias for the cheap robot pool cleaners, and that's all very well, but when they break down after a month, who are you going to call to go and get it serviced or looked after? And it's just a con, isn't it, in some cases, you know?
Well, yeah, that's why having the conversation, I highly recommend to any consumer before buying a robotic cleaner to have a conversation with a pool professional.
Well, we wanted to see if you'll put your money where your mouth is, because I mean, you're wearing a subtly branded shirt there with all of the bells and whistles on. So they've already actually got a Maytronics in this beautiful pool. Can we chuck another one in and see if we can explore some of the features and see how they go, and you can explain how they work?
Sure.
All right, beautiful. You're going to plug it in, I suppose?
Yes, we better do that. So that's probably the most important thing before you put it into the pool, is to go to about the halfway mark, drop it in the pool, determine how much cord you actually need to get full coverage of the pool.
Yep.
That way you don't have to use any excess cord, and you've got a nice
trolley. It can be
exactly
wrapped
right.
up or whatever. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, exactly right. When it navigates around the pool, it'll go up the walls and sense the power that it uses, so it knows it's a wall.
Yep.
And it'll go to each wall.
So there are a couple of really strong selling features of this model, which is the M700, and it's all to do with that maneuverability, because it's not on wheels, it's kind of on tracks. What are those engineering points that are worth noting?
Well, there's quite a few, but what you're referring to is a dual drive. So it's got dual drive in the motors to be able to turn into, little crevices that others may not be able to get into.
Like a zero-turn mower.
A zero-turn mower, exactly.
Yeah.
So you're basically turning really tightly. And one of the good things about the M700 that we've got in the pool, it's got an indicator via your Bluetooth app to say when that filter needs to be cleaned.
Of course it has.
So before it stops, before you realise it, you're actually being proactive and being able to clean it. So
yeah,
that's one really good feature. And they're really easy to clean. You pull it out and it's got a trap door at the bottom.
Yeah.
Drop the door, hose it out, put it back in, and it's done.
Why don't you let some of our viewers borrow one? Like have a free trial.
The pool shop owner will advise what they think the best fit is, and they'll organise a demo for you and come out and put it in the pool, and they can even do it themselves.
And then lock the pool gate so they can never come back and collect it. Yeah. Something like that. It is an amazing system. It has got such great reviews, and being able to do a free demo at home is such a game changer. I thank you for all of your knowledge today, mate. It has been a pleasure to meet you.
Absolutely.
And if someone wants to find out all of the pricing and what models might work for your house, if you just do a Google search for Dolphin and Maytronics, you'll find all the details there. We'll be at their website. Now, I feel like we can leave these to do their job, and there's a great cafe down the road. I think we've got nice ice cold beers.
That sounds good to me.
Be rude not to.